Mathematics at Init College, a YouTube channel for high school mathematics education. Mathematics 2C, Swedish high school education system. Multiplying polynomials. Hi, this is Babak. In this video I am going to solve the following problem for you. Let me read the problem for you first. Expand and simplify the following expression: 2x plus 3y multiplied by 4y minus 3x minus 2 times x plus y times 4x minus x squared minus y plus 7x times y plus 2x minus 2y times 7y plus x squared. It would be a good idea if you pause the video at this point and try to solve the problem yourself first. If you do it correctly, the final answer that you will get would be 2x cubed. Okay, now let me solve the problem here. So here we have this expression minus this expression plus this expression minus this expression. And each one of these expressions is written as a product. Yes, they are a product. And we know that product has priority over addition and subtraction. So this means that I need to do each one of these products first, and at the end add them or subtract them correspondingly. So here I will do this. I open a pair of brackets, I take this one multiplied here and there, and then after that I take this one multiplied here and there. Yes? So the answer would be 8xy minus 6x squared plus 12y squared minus 9yx. Okay, and then here I have three factors multiplied together. So if I want to multiply three numbers, I need to multiply the first two, for example, and then when I found the answer, I multiply the answer by the third one. Okay, and it doesn't matter how do you want to do this. You can multiply 2 inside, and when you found the answer, multiply the answer here. Or if you want to, for example, you can multiply these two first, and when you found the answer, you can multiply minus 2 inside. So here, let me just do it like that. So let me, for example, multiply 2 inside. So it becomes 2x plus 2y, and then I just copy and paste the next one, the next factor here. And then here, plus, I have 7x that I have to multiply it here and there. So this becomes 7xy plus 14x squared. Then I have negative, and I take 2y and multiply it here and there. Yes, so it becomes minus, and then I open a pair of brackets, so it becomes 14y squared plus 2yx squared. Okay, can I simplify these expressions? So let us simplify. So you see that, for example, here these two terms are similar. I have 8xy minus 9yx. It becomes minus 1xy. So we write it as minus xy, but there are no other similar terms involved, so I just copy and paste what is left. And then here again I have to start multiplying these two, so I put this negative sign and I take 2x, multiply it here, here and there, and after that I will take 2y and multiply it here, here and here. So this becomes 8x squared minus 2x cubed minus 2xy plus 8yx minus 2yx squared minus 2y squared. Okay, so let us keep these in this form first. Yeah. Okay. Now, of course, here I can also simplify this expression a little bit. So let me do the simplification here to save some time. So here, only these two terms are similar. So if I want to write it, it is just 8x squared minus 2x cubed, and then minus 2xy plus 8yx. It becomes 6xy. And the rest of it, minus 2, instead of yx squared, I would prefer to write x squared y, minus 2y squared. Of course, it doesn't matter. Then the last step is just to remove these pair of brackets. For this one, I don't need to be any careful because there is no sign behind the pair of brackets. It means that that's positive. So the only pair of brackets that I have to be careful for are this one and that one, yes? So I remove the pair of brackets, so this becomes minus xy minus 6x squared plus 12y squared. This minus sign here goes for all these terms and change the signs. So for example, this one is positive, it becomes negative, but this one is negative, it becomes positive, and the same for these. So this becomes minus 8x squared positive 2x cubed minus 6xy positive 2x squared y positive 2y squared. And then the next one, I don't need to be careful, I just remove the pair of brackets. And for the next one, I have to be again careful. This minus sign is not just only for the first one, but for both of them. So both of them become negative. So 14y squared minus 2yx squared. Now I need to find similar terms, okay? But here you see that this one and this one are similar, so it becomes negative 7xy. But I have a positive 7xy here. They are similar and opposite, so they will be completely cancelled out, yes? So this term and that term and that term are gone. So for example, what about minus 6x squared? Here I have this one and, here I have this one and this one are similar, so it becomes minus 14x squared. But you see that you have a positive 14x squared here as well, so they will also be cancelled. Yes? Okay, now let us continue to see what more we have. So here I have 12y squared plus 2y squared, which are similar. It becomes 14y squared, but then I have minus 14y squared, so they are again cancelled out, yes? And then here, if you see, here and here, they are similar, even though they have written in a little bit different ways, because this is x squared y, and this is exactly x squared y written in different order, but you know that x squared y is equal to yx squared, so they are similar and opposite, so these are also gone. And then if you see, there is only one term that survives, and that is 2x cubed, yes? And that is the answer provided by the problem itself. So these problems are not hard, but algebra is something that you need to improve your skills as much as you can. And it's very important to be able to calculate these things even though some of them are tedious. The point is that you shouldn't make even one single mistake in calculating them. So the goal of this exercise is actually provide you the opportunity for being able to improve your skills in algebra and simple manipulations. Okay? I will put the link to the PDF file of this note at the end below this video. I hope that this video has been useful for you. Until the next video, be safe and goodbye.